friends, long time no vlog as usual. Hopefully picking it back up. But today's my mom's birthday, and it's also the day before my birthday. So I'm spending the last day being 23 by cleaning up my house. I have my niece staying with me. And today I am cleaning up and cleaning out my makeup. I have too much I'm never gonna use, so I'm sorting through it. Gonna, do the whole new year, new me thing, maybe. So yeah, that's the plan for today, just organizing, cleaning. Vea already helped a lot. She cleaned the living room for me while I did Dish Mountain. I gotta stop doing that.
You should wash your dishes every time.
I should wash my dishes every time, but I am a trash goblin and I can't seem to do that. So yeah, just gonna go through this. This is all of my lip products that I have. So we're gonna go through that, and someone's gonna receive a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. Also, excuse how awful I look. So our intense lipstick sorting was just interrupted. I had my really nice planter on the windowsill and the window open, and the wind blew it over, and poor Gerald, he hit the floor and my really pretty planter's broken and I just got it. I'm so sad.
Can't find the piece.
Well, I guess my birthday present to myself tomorrow is gonna be buying a new planter. Hopefully they have one. Ow, my foot hurts. I didn't step on anything, but my foot hurts. Anyway, slowly getting down. So far, this is what we've decided on. This is all going away. So, just gonna finish with this, I guess, and I'm gonna try not to cry over spilled plant. Okay, next up is like my face products. We've got my foundations, highlighters, bronzers. Gonna get these ones done. Well, cleanup is all done. Here is everything I'm using consistently. Here is my eyelash eyebrow drawer, eyeshadow. Surprisingly, I got rid of a lot of stuff. Lipstick, face stuff, again, got rid of a lot. And then random tools and things. Oh shoot, I was gonna go through my brushes too. Guess we might do that next. It's my birthday! I'm officially 24. Happy birthday to me, Moo. Oh, I slept in a little. Now I'm gonna get ready for the day. My best friend Sydney is coming over for brunch, and then I'm going shopping with my boyfriend's mom. And then, we're doing dinner at their place. So I'm very excited. Happy birthday to me. And I'm all ready. Kid's keeping me company. She just did her schoolwork. And now I'm just gonna get dressed and wait for breakfast and Sid to show up. Very excited. So, while we're on the topic of birthdays, specifically mine, and specifically birthdays of cancer patients. Just wanted to talk a little bit about that. And, you know, I know 24 typically isn't like a big birthday for anyone at all, and in the grand scheme of things, it's not. But when you're a cancer patient and you didn't think you would survive past like 2 birthdays ago, 24 is kind of a big deal. As you move on with cancer, every year, especially for me, is another year I didn't think I'd get. So I am very grateful that I'm still here. This year in August, it'll be 5 years since I was diagnosed. And as most of you know, if you've watched my vlogs, I was taken off the treatment I was on 2 months ago, and luckily my CT and my blood work all looks good. We have no new growth, so everything is still stable. She can come. And hello, Moo Moo. And someone is very excited that I'm doing well, because someone needs to feed her. So Maggie and I are just very grateful that we are still here, and very excited to see what the next year has. And I mean, hopefully, all fingers, all toes crossed, I might be in remission. We won't know for a little bit, but I mean, for now, no news is good news. They're gonna keep monitoring me, and I'm feeling really good, and I haven't had any symptoms lately, aside from like the whole chronic fatigue thing, which I don't think will ever go away. But yeah, so I'm feeling good, and life's going really well right now. Things have been, things with the whole COVID thing have been tough for everyone. I've been doing fine. I mean, I feel like cancer and having to quit my job and school and blah, 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 blah kind of prepared me for staying at home 24/7. So, like, I'm thriving, living my best life, watching Netflix, playing Sims. But, big props go out to all the frontline workers and nurses. A lot of my friends are nurses, and I'm so scared and grateful for them. But yeah, things have been good, and I'm excited for the next year. And I'm so happy to be around and to share it with you. Since I don't have a whole lot of like cancer updates now, or like treatment vlogs and stuff, I need to know what you guys want to see and what videos to do, because my life is kind of boring, so my vlogs aren't always going to be interesting or cool. So I would like to make more videos. Don't know what you guys want to see, so please let me know. Thank you for watching. Also, another sad note about today is today's also my stepmom's birthday, and unfortunately we lost Barb just over a year ago, and it's the second birthday celebrating without her, but it still hurts as much as the first. So I've lit a candle for her today, and just want to say happy birthday, Mama Barb, wherever you are, and we know you're always with us. So enough of this sad note. Gonna film the rest of the day. I will see you guys later. Breakfast with my favorites. Sid just left. We had a lovely breakfast from Denny's. We had pancakes, and it was so good. So much sugar. Oh. But she got me a cute little plant. I need to think of a name. Yeah, so that was fun. It was great to see Sid again. I haven't seen her in a long time because of the whole the thing. And yeah, so she got me a plant, and she got me a couple treats, some Sour Patch Kids and some mini eggs, which I love, and she wrote me a card that almost made me cry, which she's very good at. And yeah, now we are just hanging out until it's time to go shopping. How was breakfast?
It was amazing.
Yeah. Little birthday haul. Got a cute little shelf to put on my wall, some little fake plants, and a couple outfits. Got a cute jumpsuit, really nice top.
I can't wait for you to try that jumpsuit in front of Steve.
Just got finished shopping. We're back at my boyfriend's parents' house, having steak for dinner, just enjoying the sun and the warm weather out on the patio. How's today been, Vea?
Awesome.
I'd say it's been a pretty good birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicole. Happy birthday to you. On Channel 4.
Oh, thank you.
Oh!
Oh, you lucky Steve. Just one. Just one boyfriend.
I would have left 3.
You're still my one and only.
So far.
So far.
So far. Yeah.
Well, I'm here. I just got to my dad's, dropped off Vea at home, and me and Maggie Moo just got to the farm. Just got here. Dad's still at work, so we're just hanging out for a bit. Maggie's stretching her legs. Super loud highway right there. It's not too bad, actually. And yeah, it is so nice out up here. We've got the boat graveyard. Not really a graveyard. They're all gonna work. Yeah. Tanker, do you like being in the boat, buddy?
Sniff, sniff, sniff.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, babies.
And Steve and Donkey Dave are way back there.
Of course they're fishing. They got. Oh no, we got 2 rods in here.
Yeah, we have rods. Hi, babe.
It sounds to me like it's just a Chrysler. Pretty much. Like it doesn't sound any different to me than what it did.
Well, she's pumping water like a bitch anyway.
I would change over to a couple days.
Yay, Steve got fish.
We'll get a picture of the fish and the fish are in.
Nice job, buddy.
I told you.
There you go, bro. We got you. Weeds. I can tell half the time.
Steve's at 3, Unky Dave's at 3. I'm at 1, and Dad is still
No,
at...
Dave's at 4. He's got 3 pike and
Oh.
1 wally.
Unky Dave's at 4. Yeah.
Nice little fish.
Look at you go.
Oh, I want to hand me those.
Well, we are all finished. We came in just in time. It is starting to rain a lot.
We got a ton of fish.
We got a ton between the 4 of us. We got what,
It was like 23 or 24.
24 fish. Steve and Uncle Dave caught the most.
The champs.
Yeah. How many did you catch? Like 7?
Well, I got 6.
You
maybe
got
7.
6. Uncle Dave got like
You got 10.
10.
Yeah.
Dad caught, I don't know, I think another.
I think he was
5
at
or
6.
6.
Yeah, I think he was at 6. No, he got 7, maybe
Oh.
even 8, because he was just reeling them in at the end.
Yeah. And I got 2.
Yeah.
The fishing queen was schooled today. But it's okay. I'll get them next time. And it was a wonderful day.
And Angel got hooked too.
Yeah, oh, so did I. I got hooked in the ear.
Oh, no. Dad being careless.
But yeah, no new piercings today. But, yeah, a couple fiascos, but you can't go fishing without them. So a wonderful end to a wonderful weekend.
Absolutely.